So, significance of selecting the right supply chain model. So, optimizing operations and meeting customer needs. So, importance of supply chain model selection is critical for operational efficiency. Optimization of operations enhances efficiency and reduces costs. Meeting customer needs ensures customer satisfaction and loyalty. So, exploring the four main supply chain models. So, there's different approaches to supply chain management. One includes the continuous flow model, focused on steady, uninterrupted flow of products through the supply chain. Fast model prioritizes speed and quick delivery to meet customer demands efficiently. Efficient model aims to optimize resources and minimize costs while maintaining quality. Custom configured model, tailored approach that adapts supply chain processes to meet specific customer needs. So, which of the four approaches would you prefer? So yeah, I agree. So Honey says efficient model. I agree. I would go with efficient model too, because enhancing like maximize maintaining quality and minimizing costs, optimizing resources is my key, is what I prefer. But does anyone have any other uh like does anyone want to choose any of the other options? So yeah, thanks for sharing, Honey. But yeah, let me know if there's any that come up here. I'll paste this in the chat here. Actually, so I'll type it in the chat. So the continuous flow model, fast model, Bishop model, and custom configured model. So those are the four options. So optimizing high volume production and continuous flow model, focus on enhancing efficiency and productivity in high volume production. So implement just-in-time inventory management, minimize inventory costs and maximize production efficiency, leverage automation technologies, increase production speed and accuracy while reducing labor costs, streamline production processes, eliminate bottlenecks to ensure smooth and uninterrupted workflow. So those types of efforts would improve the production. So it's good to have just in time because the thing about just in time is that you don't have too much inventory. You only bring in inventory when you're able to sell it. So you're not taking in too much inventory that won't be sold. So the inventory comes in and then gets sold. So you don't have to worry about having too much inventory. That's very effective. If you can do a model like that where you can have your inventory only coming in when you can sell it, that's great. And then use automation, reduces labor costs, makes it more efficient. Yeah, so that's very important. So enhancing adaptability to dynamic consumer demand. So Agile inventory management, utilize real-time data for optimal stock levels. So agile is something that you can learn. There's LinkedIn learning courses on that, and also go through it in the course here. But agile is very effective. I'd recommend learning agile. We'll learn about it in the course too, but there's LinkedIn learning course on it too. So flexible production schedules, implement just-in-time manufacturing to meet demand fluctuations, collaborative supplier relationships, forge partnerships for quick adjustments to sourcing needs. So developing an efficient supply chain model, highlighting efficiency and cost effectiveness, emphasis on efficiency, focus on streamlining operations and reducing waste, cost effectiveness, prioritize optimizing expenses, and maximizing value. Tailored supply chain model for unique products, addressing specific customer needs and custom configured model, catering to unique products, designing supply chain to accommodate diverse and specialized items, meeting specific customer needs, tailoring operations to fulfill individual customer requirements. The significance of adaptability and flexibility in supply chain model selection, explaining the importance of aligning supply chain models with industry, customer demand, and business objectives. Importance of adaptability, highlighting the necessity of adapting supply chain models, flexibility in model selection, discussing the value of flexible supply chain model selection, alignment with industry and customer demand, emphasizing the need to align models with industry and customer needs, meeting business goals, ensuring supply chain models contribute to achieving business objectives. Technology and supply chain management, leveraging technology for effective supply chain management, exploring the impact of technology and software tools and streamlining supply chain processes, enhance efficiency, boost operational efficiency through technology integration, improve decision making, utilize software tools for data driven insights and informed decisions. So, yeah, using technology integration to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and also using tools like ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot to make decisions. That's effective. And the advantages of enrolling in WGU's supply chain management programs is online flexible programs and skill development for model implementation. So Western Governors University provides that some support in those programs. Developing a robust supply chain model for a barbecue company. There's so like if you give an inventory levels like this here, we'll go forward here. The key components be sourcing, procuring quality meat and ingredients. That'd be quarterly vendor networks, resources, high quality supplies, stage production, um, activities, marinating, grilling, and packaging. That'd be weekly. Production facilities, consistent products, distribution stage, activities, warehouse and logistics, daily, transportation fleet, timely deliveries, retail, sales and customer service, continuous storefront/staff, customer satisfaction. Developing a robust supply chain model for barbecue company, enhancing operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. Initial phase starts with market research and vendor identification. Month 3 starts with negotiating supplier contracts. Month 6 would be implementing an inventory management system. Developing an optimal supply chain model, crafting a strategic approach for barbecue company success. So it's important to have strong relationships with local meat suppliers for strength. Efficient inventory management system, established distribution network. The company benefits from reliable local meat suppliers and effective inventory management system and a well-established distribution network. Reliance on seasonal demand fluctuations is a weakness. Limited storage capacity, high transportation costs are weaknesses. Challenges include dependence on seasonal demand variations, constrained storage space, and elevated transportation expenses. Opportunities would be exploring new market segments, introducing innovative barbecue recipes, leveraging digital marketing strategies. Opportunities lie in diversifying into new market segments, launching creative barbecue recipes, and utilizing digital marketing tactics. Threats would be increasing competition from established brands, fluctuating meat prices, regulatory changes affecting food industry. Threats include rising competition from well-known brands, fluctuating meat costs, and about evolving regulations impacting the food. So yeah, we're going to go through a lot of these things today. So TPL is a specialist company that provides a range of distribution, storage, transportation, and fulfillment services to customers. So Amazon being an example. Terminal ports and depots are location managed for logistics, forwarders or carrier administrators, managers and organizers, arrange the movement of cargo to its final destination point, equipment providers, physical infrastructure and assets, government is national security. So which entity provides various transportation, warehousing, and value-added services as a core part of the supply chain? Logistics service provider, LSP, yes. What role does an equipment provider fulfill in the global supply chain? Supplying essential infrastructure and tools for logistics and transportation. What is the role of terminal in the global supply chain? Serving as a location for loading and unloading cargo from various modes of transportation, yes. What is the primary role of third-party logistics 3PL provider in the supply chain? So outsourcing various logistic functions on behalf of a company. Excellent. What entity is responsible for the movement and distribution of goods on behalf of exporters and importers? So forwarder, yes. So mode of entry, exporting and importing, licensing and franchising, joint venture, and foreign direct investment. True. What distinguishes a joint venture from other modes of entry to global markets? Joint ventures involve a partnership between a local and foreign entity. So which mode of entry allows the company to control and manage its operations in a foreign market by owning a subsidiary? Foreign direct investment, yes. So which entity is responsible for regulating imports, exports, and trade compliance within a country's borders? Government and customs. So global sourcing, low cost country advantages, low cost country sourcing, low wages rates, increased competitive pressure, firm exposure to process technology, facilitate sales in international country. Disadvantages, low cost country sourcing, challenges to identify the quality and quantity required, protection of firms' intellectual property, import/export compliance issue, communication issues, guaranteed security of product issues, and inventory obsolescence risks. So you can potentially source your products from, let's say, China. So you could potentially buy the products from AliExpress. This would be an easy way. Just like buy the products from AliExpress and sell them here for a markup. So raise the price enough to make a good profit. So that's what you could do. That's pretty simple strategy. So AliExpress would be your manufacturer in that case. And you could sell them on Facebook Marketplace potentially. But if you use Facebook Marketplace, be careful. Only sell to only sell through meeting people in public places. So like meet them at a Walmart, for example. So what is one primary advantage of global sourcing for companies seeking cost savings? Access to lower cost labor materials. So which of the following is an advantage of global sourcing when dealing with its seasonal demand fluctuations?